Here's the guest elevators here at downtown Louisville Marriott. Start off by going down. These are Otis Selbach 411M. Got this one. Going down or up? Down?
This is floor 2.
Oh. This is floor, we're going to 1. Much faster than the parking. See how high we could go here?
What?
Check how high we could go. 17. Key rear's broken. And key rear
Might be turned off during the day.
is turned off.
You might only need to use it during the night.
Stop at 3. Going up?
Yes, we are.
Which floor?
12.
12.
Thank you. One more.
12?
Oh.
Oh, you going to 12?
Yes. 2 is 115. 115. 115.
These are fast. Much faster than the parking garage elevators.
Are they? They've got some garage elevators are never fast. I don't know what it is.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Key rear. You okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Whoa, these are fast. You're at 17?
Yeah, take a look.
No, switch.
You're gonna take a view, right?
No, we'll do that after we switch out cars at 2.
We're in no rush.
There's the golf house.
Oh, you can see the river from here.
That's the Ohio River.
Yes, it is.
Up there's the freeway.
Yeah, look at that.
Central Bank Plaza, PNC Plaza. Someone got very busted very badly there. There's a White Castle. There's the Kentucky International Convention Center, KFC Yum Center. This place is nice. Let's go back down.
Even on a lousy day, it's a nice view.
There's our hotels, the Hampton Inn, and over there's Jefferson Center Garage. We've got the center car. Let's go back down to 1. Go down to 1. Here we go. Just like the parking elevators. Stop at 14. No, 12. Go down?
Yep.
Which floor?
2.
Level 2?
Yep. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Listen, I said that and I didn't think this is rubbish.
Step is,
She gave me
6. Go down?
Yep.
Which floor?
2, please.
There you go.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We going
You're
anywhere
welcome.
else?
Have a good day. Guess I'll end at 1.
Put it in one pack.
These are nice elevators. This is at the downtown Louisville Marriott. There goes and that's it.